When you're messaging or talking to your fans, what do y'all talk about? What are they looking forward to?
Oh my gosh, they're always talking to me about their fantasies and customs that they want me to play out for them.
Like what?
Like little J-O, things like that.
What's up? Hey, I'm Javi Mag. We're here off the carpet at X3 Miami, here with
Peaches.
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. I've seen you before.
Yeah, you definitely seen me before. Yeah.
Yeah, so what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Probably sleep.
Sleep. That's a lot of people are saying sleep. How much sleep do you get now?
A lot, but I like to sleep. I like to sleep. I've been taking naps every day here. All day, every day.
So how many hours do you think you get so far? Like 8? Like 9?
Definitely 8 to 9 hours a day.
Wow. Girls sleep more than guys. I think guys sleep like 6 to 7.
I think because our brain works harder during the day, so we need more sleep. That's what I think.
Didn't think about that. And when you're messaging or talking to your fans, what do y'all talk about? What are they looking forward to?
Oh my gosh, they're always talking to me about their fantasies and customs that they want me to play out for them.
Like what?
Oh my gosh, anything and everything, especially.
Like what?
Oh my god, play. Oh yes, play.
Shower.
And a little shower, a little things like that. Yeah.
Nice. You gotta give somebody.
You have to,
I like that. So the reason I'm asking, because I'm here with super creators. Have you heard about them?
No, I haven't actually.
No. They help creators on the back end and save creators hours throughout the day. And they can spend more time doing the stuff they love. So they have a CRM, they have a messaging service, they have a lot. So.
Oh, wow. Well, I'll have to check you guys out.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Oh,
yeah, that'd be good.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Well, cool. Where do you want people to find you?
BigBootyandBeast10.com.
Amazing. I love that username. That's amazing.
Thank you.
And I'm Javi Mac. Thanks for watching. Thanks, super creators.
Javi!